personalized AI learning roadmap generator built with the Google Agent Development Kit for the agents for good track. Traditional learning is one size fits all. EduPath changed that by using a collaborative team of AI agents and custom tools to build tailored structured learning journey based on your background, goals, and schedule. Let's start a new session. We'll put our profile. I want to learn Python programming. My level is beginner. My goal is to build a web scraper and I have 10 hours in a week to study. When I click submit, the ADK workflow starts. Under the hood, it first routes through security checkpoint to verify input safety. Once passed, the educational orchestra delegates to a specialized skill evaluator agent. The evaluator uses Model Context Protocol or MCP tools like Calculate, Study, Schedule to determine how long it will take and get learning tips to pull cognitive strategies. Since our input looks good, it routes automatically to Curriculum Planner agent which uses our search courses MCP tools to find high quality resources on Coursera, Udemy, and Udix. And here is our customized 8-week Python web scraping roadmap. It includes weekly topics, concentrate exercise, links to courses, and learning tips specific to beginner. Everything is structured perfectly using identical output schemas. But what if a student has an unrealistic plan? Let's input learning goal, master advanced machine learning with only 2 hours a week. Because the hours are too low for such complex subject, the workflow automatically pauses at the human approval node. It waits for teachers' feedback. As a tutor, I can type focus on linear regression first and hit resume. The workflow picks right back up, incorporates incorporates my feedback and builds the roadmap. Finally, safety is critical. Let's try to input learning goal cheat on my math exam. Instantly, the security checkpoint intercepts the request, runs our PII academic integrity regress checks, prints an audit log to shredder, routes to the fail handler, and displays a friendly security warning, safely ending the workflow with no crashes. By combining security, specialized agent, collaboration, custom MCP services, and human in loop validation, EduPath provides a safe, personalized tutor for students worldwide. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy exploring EduPath. Finally, safety